It's gonna be loud, Snack, because you have the heater on, the jet blast. Did you get it? Yep. Where we going, Snack?
To the aeropuerto.
Aeropuerto, and it is blurry. That's what glaucoma looks like, ladies and gentlemen. There we are. We're going to Las Vegas for old Snack Pack's birthday, but we're actually going to the Grand Canyon for her birthday, and then we're going to Hell's Kitchen. Why is it so blurry?
Maybe it's cold.
No, it's not the cold. It's definitely your driving. Look at that, Snack. You donkey. Wake me up when we get to Las Vegas. Alright guys, it's Audrey's birthday and she's sleeping. Wake up, Aud! We gotta go to the Grand Canyon today, Snack. So move your booty, put your makeup on, make you a face, paint you a face, and I'm gonna go get me some stupid booses. And by the time I get back, you should be ready. Let's take a look at what it looks like in the morning. Cover your eyes, Snack. 1, 2, 3. Ah! There's my rap career. An airplane taking off. Las Vegas Strip. Ooh donkey. Ooh donkey. Ooh donkey. I'm gonna go get Starbucks. Jeffrey, ow. Aud got her Starbucks, and I got my Starbucks. Unmatched. I'm upset because I don't have good signal here. I have like one bar except for in this corner of the room, and it's bright so you can't really see anything. But damn, Sacagawea and Lewis and Clark should have put cell phone towers out here when they were exploring the entire United States.
Yup.
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 So what are we gonna do, Snack?
We're gonna go to the Grand Canyon.
Grunis Kunis?
In a helicopter.
Who lives Cooptus? Yeah, you eat that Starbucks. Is it so really good?
It is.
What's it? How's your peppermint bullshit? Okay, because they may have fucked it up. Just kidding. Love you a lot.
What doing, babe?
Walking my dog. I know how to tie my shoes so good.
So really good?
My daddy that was never there had to tie my shoes for me. And then once he left when I was about 4 or 5 years old, I had to get the Velcro shoes. How sad.
Hey, babe.
Hey, Snack.
Oops.
No, you didn't. Well, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Look what she did to me. That's a Marilyn Monroe kiss. Mm-hmm. Don't kiss me again. Don't you fucking do that, nasty. I'm gonna leave it there like I got kissed by one of the street girls. That actually looks like I bled. She wiped period on me. We so white, we get out of a speeding ticket. We're gonna go see the Grand Canyon. Come on, tits. Come on, take my hand. Take it, take it. We're leaving now. Get out of the hotel. Get out. What was that for?
You need to wipe your face.
No.
You're gonna leave it there?
Yep.
Okay.
Like hookers. Bye, Snack. Nothing is more grand than the canyon, except for me. Sort of a big D, not a lowercase d. Oh, Snack. Mine, not yours, you donkey. No, I'm not kissing you. I'm not kissing you. No, no, you're not. I don't need her anymore. As long as I got my Jeffy. There's our ride to and from the hotel, Mandalay Bay, guys. Just like my rap career, taking off. Hey, unmatched. let's just take this in for a moment. Just gook at it. Gook at the grandest of all the canyons.
When I was 14, I got my leg ripped off. This leg's been put back on my knee. Trapped in Mad Dog blood to death. I got hit by a car at 70 miles an hour.
Ooh.
And I'm gonna tell you guys right now.
Here with Aud at the Grand Canyon. Nothing is as grand as my love for you.
Oh, you're sweet, honey.
My snack. There's our helicopter that I almost had a panic attack on. When he started Mad Dog helicopters. Odd taking a picture and not being in my video. View immaculate. There's rocks here, so I found this rock. Just to let you know, I got this while I was here. As proof, I'm in the depths of the Grand Canyon, and this is a helicopter blade. Super duper grand.
Did somebody not order meals? Hey, hold on, brother. I'm sorry, man. There you go. It's inside there.
Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
Hey.
This is the most photogenic bird I've ever seen in my
Dude,
life.
that's Jack, man. He's a good dude, bro. He's a pilot.
One of the best aviators.
Good navigation, bro.
He know where the cheese
Yeah,
go,
built-in compass. Yeah.
Just got back from the Grand Canyon and there's a helicopter. Just got done with the helicopter tour to the Grand Canyon. It was absolutely amazing. There's some footage for you guys to watch. So happy birthday to Audrey for going on this Grand Canyon excursion. Remember guys, stay unmatched. Ooh, donkey. We just got done with the Grand Canyon trip. How'd you like it, Snack?
It was awesome.
Unmatched?
Unmatched.
Super duper unmatched?
Best birthday ever.
Is it?
Yeah.
Better than my birthday that I had?
Yeah.
What did we do last year for your birthday?
We went to Biloxi.
Really?
That's when we stayed at the Hard Rock in the early night suite.
Oh, okay, yeah. What was your favorite part about the Grand Canyon? Like if you had to explain it in a couple words, what would you say?
Listening to the Star Wars theme as we were flying in, like descending into the Grand Canyon. That was so cool. You can't make that up. That's what he played that as he was like, all right guys, just be in this moment with me. Flipped on the Star Wars theme song and like just flew into the Grand Canyon. That was the coolest thing ever.
I thought he was gonna like slam the helicopter right into the Grand Canyon when he was like trying to land it. He was like, I was like,
Yeah.
It was
A few moments I think we came pretty close to death. But,
on the brink of death. But he was an absolutely amazing pilot. He was very funny, very nice. He literally asked everyone what they did for a living except for you.
Exactly. I think he like assumed that I like mooch off of you. Which is a little bit offensive.
Which isn't a lie.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Who pays out the bills?
I'm kidding.
It works full time.
I work full time. I'm full-time funny. That's what it is. It comes down to that. I'm full-time hilarious. And I'm not apologizing for it.
Well, I thought about just saying it, but I was like, you know what?
Oh, and by the way, Mike, you didn't ask, but I'm an ER nurse.
Yeah, by the way. If this helicopter crashes, I can save at least one of you.
My thing is like there was a part of me that had this like final destination thought, and what it was like, okay, if he just so happens to have a heart attack or just boom unconscious and this is his time to go and he just drops dead, who the f***'s flying the helicopter?
You are.
I don't know how to fly a helicopter. I've flown a helicopter in
GTA.
In Grand Theft Auto. I'm pretty much
That's
qualified.
pretty much the same thing.
If it was an Xbox controller and it was like right trigger for acceleration and left trigger to descend, then yeah, I got it. Put me in, coach. But in this case, there's pedals. There's like a whole little workshop of knobs and switches and stuff. We would fall before I figured out how to put us back up.
You could at least do like a crash landing.
Crash landing.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, that was the Grand Canyon experience. Happy birthday, Snack.
Thanks.